exciting videos. It's about a makeup video I am doing in my birthday. You can do it in your birthdays and you can try it in any party makeups also. So next we'll do our eyebrow with the help of eyeshadow because I don't have eyebrow filler. First I will set my eyebrows, means draw my eyebrows with the concealer, Swiss Beauty one. I'll put in my scars. I have many scars as you can see. And in my eyelid. I will fill my eyebrows with using this black shadow. Now I'm taking a spoolie and evenly distributing all the products so it would look natural, that's why. I have set my eyelids with compact. I will take this shade as a transition one. This color magenta one, brown magenta I think, and I will blend it with the transition one. Then I will take this shimmery shade and put it in my eyelids. So it's done. So now we'll move to our foundation. I will apply eyeliner later because I find it's too problematic for me to apply eyeliner before using foundation. So let's apply first foundation. I will apply these two foundations mixing because this is too darker from my shade and this is too lighter from my shade. By mixing these two I get my perfect one. I am mixing these both shades in my hand. As my tone is dusky, so I am taking the 95 this one and 5% this one. So I will blend it with this wet beauty blender. Sorry. So we are done with our blending. Now I will apply concealer, the same one Swiss Beauty one, in my T-zone areas and the highlighting parts, as you know. So now I am applying the cream contour. This one is Contour 3D Bomb Mars stick one. Then I will set it with the powder contour. Now I will set the full makeup with this Let Me Absolute one. We'll apply our eyeliner, this one. So we have completed our eyeliner of, you can see it. Curl my eyelashes with this eyelash color. We'll apply mascara. We have done with our mascaras. Now I will apply highlighter. Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty one in the inner corner of this. Now I will apply blush in my cheeks. Fit me. As it's cold, so I will put in my tip of the nose. It looks so cute. liquid highlighter. This one only, Swiss Beauty. Now I will apply makeup fixer from Faces Canada, but not in the eyes, or else it will mix your kajal and all if you apply. But I didn't apply eyeliner and mascara, and your eye makeup will be totally done. Put some highlighters in these open areas, or else your face will be like disco ball and your neck will be like dull, that's why. Now I am applying this lipstick, Let Me Forever Matte. So I have applied my lipstick. Now I'll set my hair and I'm coming back.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hear the making my temperature?